Remember last year? Yeah.
Do you want to?
Alex, what's up?
All right. I can't see you. Can you just? No, I can't see your face.
Yeah, big guy.
That's good. Just
All right.
I've been asked a number of times today how this feels, I guess. And I guess the way I describe it is a bit of a bittersweet thing, for sure. But my family continues to be amazed by the kindness and support offered to us in Jordan's memory. And we really can't thank all of you enough.
And to our celebrities here, every single one of you guys has made this a success. Without you guys, we wouldn't be here right now. So I think you guys deserve a huge round of applause.
Under researcher, Dr. Andrew Crom. He specializes in understanding genetic abnormalities that lead to sudden death and or unexplained cardiac arrests in families.
Jordan graduated here.
Hold on. One more.
Nathan MacKinnon. Nathan, how do you say that? Nathan MacKinnon. He's from around here. Liam O'Brien. Who was that? Who was that? What's your number? What's your name, kid? What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name and where are you from?
Hey, Nate, Gerry Dee, what do you think of his commentary?
Good. I was on his show a couple times, so I'm pretty familiar with his humor.
His humor?
Yeah, he's a funny guy.
Yeah.
Don't tell him I said that though.
Did you bring the popcorn?
No, Jake.
Good idea.
Jake brought it. So I pulled myself.
Did you pull yourself?
I pulled myself.
Really?
I actually waved to him before that goal went in. I tried to change on the fly. I knew I was getting lit up. So
They're not happy down the other side. They say you're stacking the lines.
The coach's job, Johnny. They got to see what's going on up there. Jim's not paying attention.
Mitchie's not very happy.
Paid for it.
1-1-0 is one something. You grab another.
What are you driving these days?
I got Marchand.
7-8-2.
Got that a few months ago.
Congratulations once again.
All blacked out, all tinted.
0-0-5.
I like it.
8-0-4. All the players that's in the ice.